Tired of waiting for payday to enjoy life's little luxuries? You're not alone. Many of us find ourselves short on cash between paychecks. But what if there was a way to access your earned income early? Enter Beforepay. But how exactly do you receive your money from them? Let's dive in. Beforepay is an innovative service that allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before your official payday. It's a fantastic option for covering unexpected expenses, treating yourself to something special, or simply smoothing out your cash flow. Now, let's get to the exciting part: how to receive your money. 1. The Beforepay app. Download and install. The first step is to download the Beforepay app from your app store. Create an account. Sign up for an account by providing the necessary information. Connect your bank account. Link your bank account to the app securely. 2. Eligibility check. Employment verification. Beforepay will typically verify your employment information. This might involve connecting your payroll account or providing some basic details. Income assessment. They'll assess your income to determine the amount you're eligible to receive. 3. Receive your advance. Choose your advance amount. Select the amount you'd like to receive, keeping within your eligibility limits. Initiate the advance. Submit your request through the app. Receive funds. The funds will typically be deposited into your linked bank account within minutes or hours, depending on your bank's processing time. 4. Repayment. Automatic deduction. On your payday, the amount you received, plus a small service fee, will be automatically deducted from your paycheck. Important considerations. Eligibility criteria. Not everyone qualifies for Beforepay. Factors like employment status, income level, and company participation may influence your eligibility. Service fees. Be aware of the associated service fees. Responsible use. Use Beforepay responsibly to avoid accumulating debt. Only borrow what you can comfortably repay. Benefits of Beforepay. Financial flexibility. Gain greater control over your finances and cover unexpected costs. Convenience. Access funds quickly and easily through the app. Improved cash flow. Smooth out your monthly expenses and avoid financial stress. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.